What's up guys, Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to teach you about changing the color of your part, either by BrickColor or Color 3. So, in your part, just insert a script. Okay, once you insert a script, really it depends on what you want, but so first I'm going to put in a loop just for my sake, just to change it everyone's. I keep on changing it. Okay, first we're going to talk about BrickColor. Okay, to change BrickColor, well first I'm going to make a variable for my part. Well, local part equals script dot parent. Okay, while true do, first we're going to do BrickColor part dot BrickColor equals BrickColor dot new, and then in quotation marks you can put any color. You can see all the colors, alder, artichoke, babe, all these. These are all brick colors. You can keep scrolling. I'm just going to put bright blue in there. Okay. And then wait 5 seconds. And then part dot brick color equals brick color dot new black. Okay, now we're going to talk about how to change it with color 3 values. Okay, I'm going to put another wait. Actually, I'm just going to change these to 3 because I don't want to wait that long. Okay, instead of using part.BrickColor, you do part.color equals color 3.new, and then there's 3 numbers, red, green, and blue, but basically what the pixels are. This would give blue. If you want to figure out colors, just Google the RGB for blah blah. This would make blue, and I'm just gonna do another one. Well, actually, that's not blue. It's green. I'm sorry about that. It goes red, green, blue. Okay, and then the next one I'll actually do blue because I said I did it. And new 0 to 0 255. Oh, and color 3 values go from 0 to 255. And weight 3. So once you run this, the part color should change to bright blue, black, blue, and then, well, green, then blue. So if we run this, well, if it would let me run this, I'm just going to run it. You're just going to look at the part dot BrickColor because I don't think it's, come on. Trust me, it works. Okay, go black, and soon it'll change to bright blue and black. Then it changes to blue. It changes colors, trust me. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.